ẹ ṣeun dáàdì ṣẹ́ríbi tí ẹ jọ mi
Sorry,
fẹ́ gbé.
I hope I'm clear.
Ẹ ṣe sà mi fẹ́ béèrè kankan mọ́ orí Afẹ́nifẹ́re mo fẹ́ concentrate lé bàbá nítorí pé
ọba More
Afẹ́nifẹ́re sà Afẹ́nifẹ́re ní kẹ́ jẹ́ ká dojúkọ ẹgbẹ́ yìí wọ́n ní ẹgbẹ́ yìí ẹgbẹ́ Afẹ́nifẹ́re yẹn jẹ́ ká dojúkọ nítorí wípé tó bá jẹ́ wípé bá ṣe ń sọ pé aṣíwájú Yorùbá inú Afẹ́nifẹ́re ló wà gbogbo ń tá a fẹ́ ṣe kí la ṣe fẹ́ ṣe àwọn tí wọ́n ti rí kúrò tẹ́ ní ká pè wọ́n padà bàbá máa pè wọ́n padà wọ́n pè wọ́n padà àwọn èèyàn ń béèrè pé kí ni wọ́n ṣe ń darapọ̀ mọ́ ẹgbẹ́ yìí ẹgbẹ́ tó bá dẹ̀ ń ṣe aṣíwájú gbogbo àwọn Yorùbá kí ni wọ́n ṣe kí la ṣe ń lẹ́nu ọ̀rọ̀ nú ẹ̀ wá ní ẹ má bínú pàpà wá ní alàgbà bí publicity secretary yín ni àwọn nìkan náà ń kọ̀wé jáde ní morúkọ wọn alàgbà Odùmákin ẹjọ́ sà kí lọ̀rọ̀ Afẹ́nifẹ́re ṣe rí ẹ ṣàlàyé fáwọn Yorùbá ká mọ̀ báwo ló ṣe rí ga.
ẹjọ́ ara àwọn òbàjẹ́ ló ń sọ yẹn àwọn òbàjẹ́ kò ní bí dágbé pàdé Afẹ́nifẹ́re ó pàdé àwọn group láti ìdúkọ̀ kan ló ń pàdé l'Ákúrẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ bá náà mọ bí ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ jọ irọ́ ló pa ìlú kọ̀ọ̀kan wọ́ọ̀dù kọ̀ọ̀kan ló rí Afẹ́nifẹ́re àwọn yẹn náà yan aṣojú tó lọ ń pàdé l'Ákúrẹ́ tó bá láwọn ọmọ ìtọ̀nà ń pa wọn tọ́ra wọn jẹ everyday làwọn yẹn wá ń bá mi tá a darí tó bá bá mi lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ bá ìdúgbò ló ti wá lóòdù lágbájá ní chairman ló bá so àwọn tó sọ yẹn wà ní aláìní kan ṣe ni wọn tó bá ní kan ṣe wọn mọ tó máa gbé ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ mi ò lè yọ Afẹ́nifẹ́re tó wá látọ̀yọ́ bí Ìbàràpá ni o Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ni o mi ò lè mọ̀ tó bá lóun Ọ̀yọ́ ló ti wá àdìbò ló ti wá á ló Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ wọn ló bá lágbájá ní Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ òun ni chairman wọn bẹ̀ á dẹ̀ dàrẹ́ lọ sí wọ́ọ̀dẹ̀ ibi tó ti wá we are from the root so àwọn tó sọ èso di complete growth àtàrà wọn ìpè wọn lábàájẹ́ ọ̀pọ̀ ní nǹkan tí kò yé so bó ti jẹ́ nìyẹn ọ̀rọ̀ pé àlejò wa sọ̀rọ̀ pé Afẹ́nifẹ́re lọ gbó l'Ábùjá tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ fún Buhari pàápàá sọ pé lọ́ọ́ ló pa tá a bá lọ gbó l'Ábùjá àwa máa tako Buhari bẹ́ẹ̀ bí ti tako ètí ká má dárúkọ yòókù ìṣòro àwọn tó sọ pé bá fún láwọn tó gbọ́wọ́ ohun yọ ọ́ sọ́tọ̀ kì í ṣe Afẹ́nifẹ́re tó bá jẹ́ Afẹ́nifẹ́re ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wá sí ìlú yẹn àní máa dún bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn tó dẹ̀ ló dùn máa kí ló sọ̀rọ̀ nípa tá a bá sọ ló gbé síta ìgbà bá gbé ṣe gbàgbé ló máa gbé síta wọ́n ti ṣe ń gbàgbé látọ̀ yẹn kí ṣe àyàn àwọn tó máa wá bẹ̀ àwọn tó máa wá láti ìlú wọn branch wọn ló máa yan representative tó máa wá pàdé l'Ákúrẹ́ kọ́nà wádìí tó bá kọjá bẹ̀. sọ ẹ tó bá náà mọ̀ ló ti yẹ ìṣèjọba ìgbé lùgbò tiẹ̀.
ẹ jẹ́ kí n béèrè bóyá aláwọn tó fẹ́ béèrè àwọn tó fẹ́ béèrè ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ yín dádì orí àwọn kan tán ni wọ́n sókè ẹ ṣe sà ẹ ṣe ìdáhùn yín yẹn mo lẹ́nìkan tí ó ń jẹ́ Ṣeun Oge lóyìnbó I think oh yeah over to you.
Hello, good evening everyone. Good morning.
Good evening.
All right, sir. Olúwa Ṣeun Emmanuel Ogeleyinbo. Mo sọ láti ètò. All right, mi ò ní much láti sọ because I'm one of the youth that partook in EndSARS, and most of us that partook in EndSARS, we are tired of the system. And now me coming from Yoruba side, there are particular issues going on that we, the youth, are tired of. It seems we can't talk. We can't do anything because what they will tell us is we should go and sit down. We don't know anything. That the elders.
Who tells you that? Who tells you that? Who tells you that? That is part of the misleading you are doing. Who tells you that? Don't say they. They is the common language. Tell us X, Y, Z. Did you come to me and say go down? Or you go to a function and say go sit down? Or what you hear behind? You have to go destroy yourself.
Okay, sir. Anyway, I'm sorry, sir. I don't know, and this is the first time I'm seeing you. Thank God for the privilege. Now, what we, and I'm representing some youth, what we stand for is we don't want anything to say right now. Is we need how we can actualize our objective, which what we want right now is Odua realization. Based on happenings, the letter that I wrote that I want to send to National Assembly and to Obas. When the youth came, when we talked, when we saw a news that they installed Fulani kinship, because I want to go straight to why I'm here, about the installing of Fulani kinship in Yoruba land, especially in Lagos. It was disheartening. We were sad. It seemed as if culture has been derailed. It seemed as if our heritage is going down gradually, and we know very well what Fulani are used for is they buy time. And this is just a matter of 20 years to come now. 15 or let's say 60 years, they will take over. And we, the youth right now, we are craving for development. And how can it come? We are bringing it to the national. The national are giving us another thing. And what they are telling us in the constitution, we can't do this. Meanwhile, some people, we've met like 2 Fulanis in Lagos with guns. We can't approach them. When we reported them, they told us that, who are you? Just because we can't speak outside, they send us away. And right now, this is not coming gradually. This, I'm telling you, because it's painful, and we are seeing them live. We are seeing them live. And what we need to do right now is actualization of the Dual Republic. And we are making efforts. And what we want right now is that how can it be done? If this is not done on time, what we saw about them installing Fulani kinship, it's another thing we'll be saying. Because right now, the man said that right now, him and his son can contest for any office in Yoruba land. Maybe we don't know that is happening. There's something bigger. We don't need to be sitting down anyhow. Right now, we are immersing ourselves. We need to sign that petition and do everything possible to reject anything, because we are tired. That's just what I want to say. Thank you.
Thank you very much indeed. There's somebody called Aropoire. Papa just Aropoire. Somebody with that name, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I want to take this opportunity to appreciate our guest today. I learned a lot. My name is Eric Bemi from Washington, but everybody call me an Aropoire. So I'm one of the presenter agitator for this freedom. My question goes like, to appreciate our daddy with his age. Daddy, Abanya Daleo. Please, sir. Sir. The Fulani, they said it. And I know you've been doing this for decades. And now they are, and it's so ridiculous that they don't even listen to you. Even for some of them that doesn't even have any intellectual, nothing to compare with you. And they say it categorically that either restructuring or whatever you, our father, are asking for, they don't care. Which is so disgrace to somebody like us throughout the whole world. So my question is that, are these guys recolonized Yoruba nation? If no, sir, what are we waiting? Because Usman Fodio vision has been coming to pass. With all your effort, if somebody like you, please, sir, we cannot do this with this guy anymore. The Usman Fodio plan and agenda has been started coming to pass. Daddy, please, we need unity, love, and we want you are the one that we are looking onto. We want to be out of the contraction. Enough is enough. Thank
you. Oyegunle. Oyegunle. Hello, somebody with the name Oyegunle. Carry on.
Hello. Okay. Especially Daddy Adebanjo, Ẹ̀kọ́ àgbáyé Adálẹ́sà, inú mi lè dùn láti
Earpiece yọ kúrò ló ń pariwo yẹn.
Ṣé ń gbọ́ báyìí mà?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ tẹ̀síwájú. Tẹ́ ẹ bá ti lo earpiece á dáa.
Ṣé ń gbọ́ mi báyìí mà?
Ó dà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
So ẹjọ́ tó dé ọlọ́run ẹjọ́ owó yìí nìkan ló kù sí báyìí because wọ́n ti kó wa lẹ́rú tó wọ́n bàbá yẹn sọ nìyẹn because I wonder tọ́lọ́ tí wọ́n lọ yìn store Fúlàní sí Èkó tó yẹn pa lómi sálẹ̀ gbẹ̀lẹ̀gbẹ̀ Mega City ó yà mí lẹ́nu èmi rẹ̀ ẹ̀sìpẹ́ndù pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sá so ẹjọ́ tó dé ọlọ́run ọmọdé mi kò máa sọ nìyẹn ẹjọ́ náà kọ́ borí wa lẹ́yìn wa Odùduwà nation la fẹ́ gbà ẹ ṣeun gbọ́dọ̀ gbé wa o.
Over to Papa.
I want to keep you strictly to your instruction.
Yes, sir.
Kò sí gbogbo question tó ń béèrè yìí. Bàbá máa dáhùn a máa fọ̀rọ̀ káwọn tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ ká dá ló. Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ mi?
Dáadáa sà.
Alákùnrin yẹn àti tó sọ̀rọ̀ kẹ́yìn gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ yẹn gbà ìyẹn ló fàjà láàrin àwa àtàwọn Yorùbá tó wà ní APC lẹ́nìí ìyẹn lẹ́yìn sọ pé wọ́n ti dalẹ̀ gbogbo yẹn tó yẹ kó sá ń bẹ̀ wọ́n ti dẹ̀ máa sọ ní pé gbogbo àwọn tó ń sún yẹn àwọn náà ti gbà wá lọ́wọ́ Haúsá
ẹjọ́ rí wo ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn please ẹjọ́ gbàtà kí n ṣàrò oko dáàdi ẹ tẹ̀síwájú sà.
ṣé gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tó sọ yẹn gbà ló jẹ́ òótọ́ ṣùgbọ́n tí bá ń sọ wọn ní bàbá ìlú òkú wọn jọ á ti bọ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn báwọn Yorùbá tó wà ní APC lẹ́nu tó bá lọ bá Buhari á ní síbi tá a gbé wà yìí ìyẹn ni mò ń sọ tó ni mò ń sọ̀rọ̀ burúkú àwọn náà dalẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ tí sọ ìtó gbogbo àwọn tẹ̀ ní kó lọ yẹn ọmọ ìdásọ̀rọ̀ sọ́sọ́rin tó sọ́jọ́ bá wálé gbogbo lè ti lọ gbogbo agbára tó ní ti lọ gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ security àwọn harassment tó ń gbá wọ̀nyí agbára wa máa wà lọ́dọ̀ wa ni ọ̀rọ̀ Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn lásán wọn ò dá sí i gbogbo yẹn lápapọ̀lá ni bá ń sọ lórí program báyìí láti ṣe ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ kan padà sí federation tó bá padà sí federation gbogbo agbára yìí ó wà lọ́wọ́ wa Fúlàní ọ̀gọ̀dọ̀ ajókòó sí wá jókòó ṣùgbọ́n àwọn ọlọ́dọ̀ ìjẹ lábẹ́ wọn ó ìsàrọ̀sọ̀.
Ọlọ́run kò má gbà á lọ́wọ́ lálẹ́ ni mò ń try láti wọ ẹni tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí.
Azeez Ọláìdé Azeez ló ń sọ̀rọ̀.
Azeez Ọláìdé Mauritania, please exit the program, thank you. Azeez Ọláìdé, please exit the program, thank you. Azeez Ọláìdé, let me try and get rid of him from here. I've already muted him. Thank you. Oh yeah, just
sorry, it's not for my
Abiola Adeyemi needs to be muted.
Abiola Adeyemi, please exit. Abiola Adeyemi, please exit. Amama temo wọn létí ni.
I mean, please mute everyone.
Can you hear me now? Ǹjẹ́ ẹ ń gbọ́ mi báyìí? Papa, unmute yourself, sir. Papa, unmute ara yín bóyá ẹ gbọ́ mi. Papa, please unmute yourself bóyá ẹ gbọ́ mi. I have already done so. Papa, can you unmute yourself? Let me see. This is the issue. When you unmute all of them, okay. Papa, can you unmute yourself now? Papa, can you unmute yourself? Eshesa. Ṣé ń gbọ́ mi báyìí? Eshesa. Eshesa.
Nǹkan tí mo ṣàlàyé, àwọn tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí kó fara balẹ̀. The root cause ni mo sọ fún wọn. Wọ́n sọ pé kíní kan ti sú wọn, kíní kan ò ṣe kíní kan. The root cause pé tí àwọn tó ń lájọ ìṣepọ̀ yìí, tá a bá àwọn èèyàn tiwa tó yẹ kó láwọn ò gbà, àwọn náà wà lọ́dọ̀ wọn. Ìyẹn mo ṣàlàyé ẹ̀ fún wọn. Mo dẹ̀ ṣàlàyé lọ́nà pé báwọn Yorùbá mi ìdárúkọ tó ń ṣe APC tó wà lọ́dọ̀ Buhari tó bá parapọ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀pá ọ̀nà ìfẹ́ ìsọ́tàn lẹ́yìn ká tó ṣe lẹ́yìn á ti bọ́nú ẹ̀. Ìyẹn la ṣe sọ pé àwọn tá a fi síbẹ̀ lára àwọn tó ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ Afẹ́nifẹ́re náà bá wọlé. Ẹ ṣe sọ pé ẹ ti dáadáa ìjẹba wọn oníkọ́lẹ̀ ṣe yìí. Tóun yẹn bá sọ pé àwọn ọgbà lẹ́yìn pẹ̀lú Buhari ọ̀rọ̀ ti tán. Ibi tá a gbé lọ nìyẹn yẹn kọ́ yẹ̀ wò. Ta ló kó gbogbo àwọn Haúsá wá? Gbogbo Haúsá tá à ń bú yìí Èkó nìkan ni ò sọ̀rọ̀. Aṣáájú wọn ni ò sọ̀rọ̀. Tàbá dẹ̀ dárúkọ wọn lábọ́jà dáadáa ẹ tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni olóko bá wà. Yẹ́n mo sọ pé gbà tó dẹ̀ máa wọlé àdéhùn tá a jọ ṣe kọ́ yẹn. Ṣèlẹ́jọ́ náà ra bí yóò da kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mẹ́ẹ̀. Mo dẹ̀ sọ last time ẹjọ́ ò bá gbọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀. By the time they are doing the coming back to civilized regime, the platform under which ẹni ká má dárúkọ gbọ́ àti ká má dárúkọ under which àwọn Yorùbá tó wà ń bẹ̀ yìí tó bọ́ síbẹ̀ ni pé sovereign national conference ni o láti ṣe election. Ìgbà ìlànà àdí ṣe election under lẹ́yìn tí Absalom ṣe tí ò bá padà sí nǹkan ṣe conference láti agree lórí constitution tá a fẹ́. Ìgbà tá a takú sí àwọn làwọn àwọn Afẹ́nifẹ́re dé àwọn sójà láwọn ń lọ wọn láwọn wá kíní kan ẹ jẹ́ kó máa lọ náà yẹn làwọn á dé ẹ̀. Ṣé la sọ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe constitution yẹn ká padà sí ìfẹ́lẹ́sẹ̀ àríṣe. Àwa padà síbẹ̀ wáyé lórí pé a fẹ́ kó ṣe constitution yẹn làwọn ẹgbẹ́ wa tó wà lọ́dọ̀ Buhari sẹ́yìn orí yẹn náà bá wọlé. Orí iye gbà tó bá wọlé tó gbà táwọn ti sọ pé ọ̀rọ̀ pa fẹ́ constitution mi ni Papa Adésọ̀rọ̀ lólórí wa ń gbà yẹn. Àwa lọ sí House of Assembly kọ̀ọ̀kan Èkó ni o Ògùn ni o gbogbo àwọn ọ̀tẹ̀níkà má dárúkọ wọn yẹn tó wà nínú ìjọba sẹ́yìn lánà sí ìjọba yẹn no pàṣẹ oníṣẹ́ ògbọ́n láti ṣe sovereign national conference is on record. Mo ti tẹnu mọ́ gbogbo etí tí gbogbo àtọ́ débẹ̀ gbọ́ tí wọ́n gbé ìdìbò àpọ́nlá. Ọ̀rọ̀ bọ́ọ̀ dẹ̀ ti máa dàrẹ́ náà wá. Ìyẹn ló dá ògbójògbò yìí lẹ̀. Ìyẹn ní kẹ́ báwa yẹ̀wé gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ campaign gbogbo kìíní kan tó bá máa bá lè nílé ọlá yìí ni mo bẹ̀ wọ́n. Nǹkan tó ń sọ ní pé ẹ̀jẹ̀ ká yí padà kan gbé ààrẹ wá sọ́dọ̀ wa. Ààrẹ wá sọ́dọ̀ wa lábẹ́ òfin tó máa fẹ́ fi ọmọlẹ̀ yìí. Ìyẹn ní kẹ́ yẹ̀wò. Ìtí mo sọ ẹsẹ̀ yẹ̀ ó pé ọ̀rọ̀ wà dàbí kò sọ̀rọ̀ ń bẹ̀. Tó tí àwọn Yorùbá wa tó wà ní APC lẹ́yìn bá fa akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ bá fa akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ rí pé bí àwọn south tó ti fa akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ rí báwọn fẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo ṣe.
Ẹ ṣe ṣàṣẹ́rí dádì mo rò pé Ọlọ́run ti fi mí lórí ọ̀fẹ́ lẹ́ẹ̀mélòó kan tá a sọ̀rọ̀ yìí ibì kan náà la máa ń fi sí àwọn APC wọn ní dá yín lóhùn. It's very clear. They are not answering you. They are not interested in answering you. Let's get that right. They are not interested in answering you. Number two, we all know there's something wrong with the Constitution. I'm going to put a question to Professor Salako, and I don't want to hear options. With greatest respect, I want to start with the Constitution that is there at the moment. Is it a fact that that Constitution is one that was and is not representative of the entire population of Nigeria? My first question. Second question, can we do anything? Can we do cessation, this, that, without changing that constitution, yes or no?
To your first question, that constitution is not an autochthonous constitution. It is not homegrown, it is not homebred. We can't say, we the people of Nigeria give unto ourselves this constitution.
Exactly.
It is a constitution imposed on us. It is not autochthonous. And the other point is that, well, in fact, I intend to send a copy of this, my paper, to Papa. And I want to urge that we should be prepared, restructuring or no restructuring, for an independent Oduduwa state.
Can I stop? Can I stop there? Can I stop? Professor, you're not answering my question. Yes. I'm going to stop you there. My question is this. Oduduwa is out of it now. We've got a particular situation.
Yes.
This constitution does not reflect the aspirations of the population.
Yes.
Now, this constitution, is it possible to challenge it as it stands and get that constitution set aside for some kind of a review? Is that possible?
The short answer and the simple answer is that, well, with the present state of affairs in Nigeria, it is impossible to do that. But we as Yoruba can decide that, well, we are fed up with this system and that we want to go. We have the rights
Can I stop there? I'm taking it state by state because not everybody has the capacity to understand the technicalities.
Yes.
Now, if you say now that there's no point making noise about this constitution,
yes,
within the current government, you cannot get rid of the constitution.
Yes, you cannot.
Right, okay. The next question that I ask is this. If that is the case, if Yoruba decides to get out of Nigeria,
yes,
how can that be peacefully achieved?
Now, let me draw an analogy. It's simple. Nicholas Sturgeon wants to take the Scots out of United Kingdom.
Right.
All that she needed to do to achieve that is a referendum.
Yes.
A yes vote to leave, that will be the end.
Right.
It will not be supported by the EU. And there will be nothing that the Westminster Parliament can do to stop Scotland leaving. If, for example, over 52% vote for leaving the United Kingdom, there is nothing.
Let's come back to Nigeria. Let's come back to Yoruba.
Let's come back to Nigeria.
Yes.
If we, the Yoruba, decide to leave and we are united towards it, there are pathways for that. In fact, there is a pathway for that in leaving.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And that is why I was referring to you the Kosovo Advisory Opinion. That is the opinion of the International Court of Justice. And that was why I stated Bangladesh left in 1971, South Sudan in 2011. They voted overwhelmingly. 92% of South Sudanese said they wanted to go. It was ratified by the United Nations. If we are ready to go, there's no force on earth that can stop us.
Can I stop you there? Can I stop you there now, please? Can I stop you there?
Yes.
At the end of tonight, I want us to be able to get somewhere.
Yes.
It has been established that the Constitution is one that is unrepresentative, and therefore no one really should be following this Constitution. Now, are we going to be able to remove this Constitution? You have already said, with the climate we've got, it's impossible to remove the Constitution. Now, let me ask the next question. This issue of restructuring then, Is restructuring achievable?
Simple
under
answer.
this
Simple answer in simple English. It is odious.
Yes.
It is odious. It is unnecessary. You see, in fact, we shouldn't go there at all. We should think of how we will live straight away. We should think of how we will live. In fact, the situation is right internationally to do so.
Professor, the first thing is pé ìbéèrè tí mo béèrè ni wípé láti sọ wípé constitution yìí a fẹ́ jáde tá a bá ti fẹ́ tẹ̀lé constitution yìí tẹ̀sán ni pé kò ṣeé ṣe ààrẹ jáde láíláí. Mo dẹ̀ ń béèrè pé restructuring tó ń pè yìí restructuring yìí ṣé pẹ̀lú constitution yìí ṣó ṣeé ṣe.
Kò ní work. It will not work.
Ṣó ṣeé ṣe yes or no? Ṣó ṣeé ṣe pé ká ṣe
The answer is no. The
The answer is no. Okay. All right. Ẹ dúró ń bẹ̀ yẹn. Ẹ dúró ń bẹ̀ yẹn, sir. Please, no. I'm going to Papa Adebanjo. Papa Adebanjo, you've heard the answer.
Yes.
Restructuring. What we've been told now that with the current constitution, it's impossible.
I understand you.
Yes.
Professor, this is even so. But I'm trying to avoid talking to the guideline of Erelu. It's any question. Problem was solved. But àwọn tá a fi síbẹ̀ tó ṣojú wa náà gbà ti wá.
Okay.
Ìyẹn mo jẹ́ sọ pé àwọn ẹyẹ dúró àwọn yẹn láyé bá sọ̀rọ̀. Tó yẹn bá gbà lẹ́nìí, ó ṣeé ṣe. And we will get what we want without fighting. Our problem is because àwọn tá a fi síbẹ̀ tó náà rojú wa, àwọn náà gbẹ̀bọ̀ jẹ́. Ìyẹn mo máa ń sọ náà fẹ́ gbọ́ bẹ̀ lẹ́nu mi. And when you are from the word go, that's this constitution is a fraudulent constitution. It is not we, the people of Nigeria, the Federal Republic. We didn't make it. The constitution of federal. It was the nation, not even them, not the soil. This is a fraudulent constitution. So they didn't repeat it. So the professor is right. But why he doesn't get it correct is to say it is impossible. It's impossible because of our own people. So our own people.
Papa, àwọn tá à ń sọ yìí, bá àti ẹ̀dárúkọ wọn, gbogbo àwọn Yorùbá tí àwọn tán dìbò fún wọn, tán wà l'Ábùjá pátá, gbogbo àwọn tán wà l'Ábùjá, wọ́n wà ní Federal House ní, wọ́n wà ní Senate ní, gbogbo wọn là ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ yìí. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́ nígbà tá a sọ̀rọ̀ yìí kẹ́yìn. Gbogbo àwọn òṣèlú tí wọ́n dìbò fún tí wọ́n wà l'Ábùjá tó ń jẹmu kẹ́ẹ̀kẹ́ yìí ń bo la bá dé sí pé kí Afẹ́nifẹ́re pè wọ́n. Ṣé Afẹ́nifẹ́re máa pè wọ́n? Torí pé Yorùbá náà pera wọn, ṣé Afẹ́nifẹ́re máa pè wọ́n? Ṣó ṣeé ṣe kán pè wọ́n kán dá yín lóhùn?
Erelu ìlú òyìnbó lẹ́wà àwọn làwọn wà ń bí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sà.
Àwọn tó wà lé ọmọ nǹkan tí mo sọ ẹ̀yin lè lè mọ̀.
Ó yé mi sà.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún wọn jẹ́ ní kò ṣe pé wọ́n wà ń bá mi lé. Ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀tá wí yìí náà náwó bọ́ máa ṣe dìbò débẹ̀. Wọ́n lè takò wọn gbangba. Including their governors. So let's sọ̀rọ̀ ìṣẹ́rí our problem kì í sọ fún yín. Ẹ jẹ́ ká panu pọ̀ ká lọ bá àwọn tó kó wa sẹ́rù yìí pé ẹ gbọ́ ni. Àwọn náà wà ń di ẹ má pàjẹ́ lọ́bọ̀ kẹ fèsì ìyẹn náà fẹ́ gbọ́ lẹ́nu mi. Àyìn pòfẹ́sọ̀ àti gbogbo ìtara ń ta ẹ sọ fún àwọn Yorùbá tó ń bá wọn ṣèjọba tó bá fẹ́ràn àwọn ìlú wọn tó fẹ́ pé mi kó sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bẹ́ẹ̀ lè sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ kó olújọba yẹn what will happen.
Ẹ ṣe sà, ẹ jọ sà, ṣe ibi tí ẹ sọdẹ yẹn pàpá kí lórúkọ wọn jẹ́ pásítọ̀ Ọ̀ṣínbàjò ṣé a lè ránṣẹ́ sí wọn ṣáà dá wa lóhùn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí.
Ọ̀ṣínbàjò lè dá lóhùn Tinubu ló fi síbẹ̀. Tinubu ọ̀dẹ̀gbà ẹyẹ yìí mo sọ fún pé pẹ̀lú ká má dárúkọ ká má ṣe That is ṣé mi ò fi gbogbo ọjọ́ síbẹ̀ yẹn mo jẹ́ sọ gbàgbà yìí yẹn náà ṣe fẹ́ gbọ́. Tinubu ló fi Ọ̀ṣínbàjò síbẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣínbàjò lè yẹ pọ̀ níbi pàápàá sẹ́yìn àti Tinubu àti Ọ̀ṣínbàjò ẹnu ọ̀pápọ̀ gbogbo àwọn Yorùbá tó wà ń bẹ yẹn ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ni wọ́n Fáṣọlá ọ̀tọ̀ Fáyẹmí ọ̀tọ̀ wọ́n lè sọ pé àwọn ọ̀dọ́ Yorùbá.
Pàpá ibi tá a fi dé yẹn ń sìn ibi tá a fi dé nígbà tí gbogbo ẹnu wọn ti dàrú bí ẹsẹ̀ télọ̀ yìí á jẹ́ pé restructuring àlá tí a lè múṣẹ ni torí àwọn tá a fẹ́ pè jókòó pé kán jó ṣeé ṣe nísìnyí ẹnu gbogbo wọn ti dàrú lókè lọ́hùn bá a bá fa àwọn wọn nírú now alàgbà aṣíwájú Tinubu ọmọ Yorùbá ni wọ́n ọ̀rọ̀ náà ò yé mi ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣe ṣàlàyé fún wa arákùnrin wa.
àlàyé ilé ẹ̀fẹ́ gbà ẹ̀ lọ bá bí ẹ̀ ṣe pé Tinubu wá àti ọ̀dẹ̀ ti wà bí ẹ̀ ṣe pé Tinubu wá.
ẹ jẹ́ kí n dá yín lóhùn dáàdì ẹ jẹ́ ṣẹ́rí Tinubu ọmọ Yorùbá ni lóòótọ́ kò sẹ́nì kankan tó dìbò fún kódà mo ń béèrè pé kí ni róòlù wọn ní Nàìjíríà kí ni róòlù Tinubu ní Nàìjíríà what is his role kò yé mi gẹ́gẹ́ bí òṣèlú kí ni róòlù ẹ̀.
kò yé mi
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kí ni róòlù wọn sà kí ni róòlù wọn sà.
kò jẹ́ ní ká má ṣe fẹ́ ká dáná kí róòlù wọn.
ẹ ṣàlàyé fún wa kí ni róòlù arákùnrin yìí.
gbogbo bọ́ọ̀dù ìdìbò gbáà òun ló bá róòlù wọn wọ́n lè ṣe náà gbogbo àwọn gómìnà tí a sọ pé kò ṣeé ṣe yẹ ọmọ nǹkan tó jẹ́ òun ló gbé wọn débẹ̀ bọ́ọ̀sì ẹ̀gbá gbangba wọ́n gbà ń kọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ náà lè sọ́ta.
sẹ́mi
sọ ìjẹ́ lọ́sẹ̀ wò.
ó yé mi ẹ jẹ́ kí n pe alàgbà Délé Ògún ẹ fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan alàgbà Délé Ògún.
Yes, I have what I consider to be a very important point to share with everybody.
Thank you.
As a lawyer, as a constitutional lawyer, as a corporate lawyer, I know that the name that you give a document does not necessarily define its substance. So simply because you call a document a constitution does not make it a constitution. What we are calling a constitution, the 1999 document, is simply an instrument of governance. A constitution is made by the people, by the representatives of the people. So if you have a document which has not been made by the people, as a matter of fact, it is not a constitution except to the extent that you're giving it that name. You can give a dog any name. It does not define it. It is an instrument of governance. No different from military decree that Babangidas and co were using as an instrument of governance. That is point number one. Point number two, how can it be changed? Because it is a fraudulent document that was designed for captivity rather than liberation. It made no provision for anybody to escape. This is what Professor Salako was saying. There's no machinery within that fraudulent document by which you can say that you're going to call a referendum. It doesn't recognize. No escape hatches were created. So then, is there a solution? Is there a way forward and is there a way out? Yes, there is. And it turns on not the grace of those who are your captors and your jailers. It turns on our capacity to organize ourselves. And Professor touched on this. Chief Adebayo touched on this as well. And the lesson that we must borrow from is the lesson of the people of South Africa. You remember the white minorities were like the Fulani, who were arrogant to the extreme and say, over our dead bodies will you guys rule. But what did they do? They organized themselves. It was not through the constitution that the white minorities were enjoying themselves. It was not through the machinery of that document, but it was creating a de facto situation that forced a change. So it is to the extent that we, the Yorubas, organize ourselves around a purpose and a journey and a destination, that constitution will be changed.
I think I don't want to actually ask any more questions, and I don't want to make any more comments. That's going to be the sorry, please. I will not.
I just want to make a friend of
No. Please, I'm sorry.
Please.
I'm sorry. I need to conclude what I'm saying. Please.
Yeah, please. On this.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I've sent my rules out. We are wanting solution. We cannot be talking round the circles. The keynote speaker has ably summarized where we should go. The keynote speaker has summarized it. He has summarized it by saying we've got a document, we haven't got a constitution. He's saying quite clearly, this is an opportunity to rally together and find a way forward. And before I lose my thought, I'm going to be consulting with my keynote speaker for today, because that's a summary of today. We must find a way forward. We cannot continue to invest hours and hours in discussing round in circles. So, Alagba Deliogun, I'm going to be making contact with you. It's the norm that I do that once my session is over. Professor Salako, I'm going to be coming back to you for a summary. Having said that, I know that is the conclusion. I'm now going to allow Omoba Ajagbe to say what he needs to say. Over to you. Are you there or not? Have I lost? Is he still there, or is Omoba Ajagbe, are you still there? I can't hear him. Are you going to unmute yourself? On that note, I think I can see four up. Right. Makonjuola Owolabi, you've got a minute. Olufumilade, you've got a minute. Omoba, you've got 1 minute. 1 minute each. Over to you now. I'm waiting.
Can I speak? Olufumilade is ready.
1 minute.
Okay, my own contribution is this. On the issue of restructuring, some of us have thought about it and we know the constraint. But what we want to focus now, our own governors, the Southwest governors,
right?
How well are they utilizing what is at their disposal? If they act in unison, like Baba Adebanjo has said, the federal government cannot stop us from making progress. We worked together on Amotekun and we achieved it. The federal government didn't want it, but because we stood by our governors and our governors had the courage to say we are going forward with it, we were able to achieve it. Other things we can achieve whether the federal government likes it or not. So we need to see how we can hold our governors accountable.
Thank you. I'm going to the next speaker, please. 1 minute. Okay. The next speaker, Benga Adewale Owolabi Olufumilade. Adewale, 1 minute, please. Or is it Adewale that's just spoken?
Olufumilade, Professor Femi Olufumilade just spoke.
You're very kind. Thank you. Let me go to Adewale, please, if you're still there.
Yes, I'm here, ma.
Yes, you got 1 minute, please.
Yeah, I'll be sure only so Yoruba ma be English.
Yoruba.
Okay. Ṣé mo nǹkan tẹ́mi fẹ́ sọ ni pé number one, ṣe rí tá bá wo behaviour àwọn Fúlàní, Hausa Fúlàní àti àwọn representatives wa nílẹ̀ Yorùbá pẹ̀lú àwọn governors wa. A rí wípé when it comes to restructuring gan wọn ò fẹ́, and they are our oppressors. Sherry, from my own view, the only way when we tell them we are leaving, that they meaning what I'm so, Sherry, we will pressure them to the extent where I'm going to realize, okay,
thank you very much indeed.
So,
I've only had concrete suggestions from. I don't want to lose you, Professor Olufumilade. You made a very valid point.
One more,
let me go
last
straight
question,
through. Sorry?
Mo kàn fẹ́ béèrè pé àwọn plans wo ni àwọn dádì wa bàbá Adébánjọ kẹpẹ́ fún wa sá àwọn plans wo ni wọ́n ní gan sef láti get a restructuring yìí apart from pé a lọ ń bá àwọn governors wa because ẹ ti sọ̀rọ̀ pé ká lọ bá àwọn governors, but what are the other plans, sir?
Well, I'm sorry, I'm going to disallow the question about plans. We've been told already what we must focus upon. We must focus on what the keynote speaker nicely summarized. Pé ìṣòro tó dé bá wa, ń tá gbé dání kì í ṣe constitution. Now, àwọn Professor Salako, àwa ń jókòó ń bí tán sọ fún wa wípé constitution yẹn kò lè wá ń bẹ̀ kárí nǹkan kan ṣe. Bàbá fúnra wọn ti sọ pé constitution yìí dead end ni àwọn tó wà ń díẹ̀ plan wo náà tún fẹ́ ní. Plan wo náà tún fẹ́ ní ju pé ká.
Because I mean, we have to go for the doer, so let us just say we are going. So we can even in that way avoid the constitution.
Sherry, noted with gratitude. Let me go straight on to someone else. We've got Mark Ojuola Owolabi, please, and Are Kola Aregbe, please. Mark Ojuola Aregbe.
He has to unmute himself.
Thank you.
I'm ready to go, but he had his hand up before me.
Who is that?
This is Mark
Ojuola Owolabi, please unmute yourself.
Thank you. Are we ready? Mark Ojuola Owolabi, please. We can't get you to speak. I think that's the last person whose hand I can see raised.
Well, I can go. I'm ready, ma.
Please go ahead. Thank you.
Okay. Kola Aregbe Muki Wugule, Mudaki Baba mi Baba Adebanjo. Nǹkan tí mo kàn fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ bàbá ni pé, well, one, mo fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn because so many years, even at the point tí bàbá ṣe back operation, wọ́n ṣe entertain some of us to educate us and motivate us and all that. Now, my fear is this. Mi ò rí bàbá strong, kama, mi ò mọ̀ bóyá ṣe, but me believe pé nǹkan tó ṣe ń gbà yẹn, which many of us started more. In terms of gbogbo àwọn tó wà níbi tó wà ń sìn, the same thing can still be repeated because we believe there's even appetite for that. To actually do it now, to do it, go cheap. Money is going to be a major factor. And that is one key bit Timofeka overlook. To actually make some of the changes that we must get the right people.
Can I stop you here? Nobody raises the issue of fundraising on my program, please. I beg of you.
No, I'm not saying we should raise funds. No, I'm not saying we should raise funds on this platform. What I'm saying is we should look at ways of getting the right people into the places that will make those changes to grab the power. And to do it, many of us must be ready to invest in that direction. Got to confess on here.
Well, thank you for your point. I'm very grateful. Next, who wants to say something?
I hope you can hear me now. Chief
Yes,
Makonjola.
please go ahead. Please go
Yes.
ahead.
Tí Afẹ́nifẹ́re ni mo fẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé Afẹ́nifẹ́re wà ní Europe bí adẹ̀ ní members rẹpẹtẹ tá a máa ń ṣe meeting, but coronavirus kò jẹ́ ká ṣe meeting for a while. So I'm going to give the phone number of the secretary out now. Anybody who was press, please join wa. So secretary wa is Engineer Ajayi. His phone number is 079 586 54682. I repeat, 079 5865 4682. Engineer Ajayi, you can contact him 24/7 on the secretary of NFLMB, which happens to be the deputy coordinator, and chief engineer Shiaba, or the chief coordinator. So I'm actually meeting by Corona, meeting, we will just speak on the phone and do a little bit of talking with Zoom. So, but please get in touch with that number. But I'm actually next meeting, so you can all attend. It's open. Baba Debanjo, Eshegan o, Ekuse, Eshedebiri o. Aṣáájú ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ kan aṣáájú lẹ mọ̀ mí sí. So Ekuse Olúwa, Ẹpẹ́ fún wa. Erelu àjíṣẹ́ àbíyé o. Olúwa díyẹn fún wa ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o.
Thank you. There are only three hands up, and I think Omoba, there's Omoba still here. Do you want to say something, or have I lost you?
Yes, I want to say something.
Yes.
What I want to say is that once we know quite well that the Fulani will never allow restructuring, and Baba ní ká lọ bá àwọn kan ká lọ pè wọ́n ká bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀. Àwọn náà ò ní gbà nígbà tí bàbá ti bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ táwọn ò kọ̀. Tààlà ta ló fẹ́ bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kó wá plan B. Restructuring yóò lè bọ́ sí káàdì lè mọ ọ̀nà táwọn agbègbè mo ti fẹ́ sọ nìyẹn.
Well, I think I wonder who else has got something to say before I end this program. Who else has got something to say? I'm going to do a last call. Omoba Ajagbe wanted to say something, but is he back with us? Any last minute?
Yes, I am back.
Right, over to you now, please.
I just want to make a fundamental contribution.
Thank you.
We are talking about 1999 Constitution.
Yes.
Everybody seems to have forgotten that the offshoot of 1999 Constitution is 1979 Constitution under Obasanjo's regime. And that's what led us to where we are today. He created the initial constitution that set up the presidential system, and that needs to be actually seen in that context. And of course, it's part in 1979, after the election, the statement he made, which led us to where we are today, because Paulo would have become the president of the country at that time, and possibly the nation will not be in this position today. That's one. Two, you are trying to put words in Baba Adibam's mouth when we all know what Asiwaju Ahmed, Asiwaju Tinubu is contributing on this issue of what is going on in Nigeria today. Somebody said earlier on, we have no division, we have ambitions. When people actually think about themselves alone and their family alone, that's actually what the problem of our country is. And that's all I wanted to contribute on this program. Thank you.
You're very kind. Thank you very much. On that note, it's been quite a fascinating session, and I'm delighted that I have three people to refer to. Now, the first person I'll be making reference to do a synopsis of key items that needs immediate action. And I would be turning to the keynote speaker for today, Alagbadeli Ogun. I'll be knocking your door, please. Now I'll be going to Papa Adebanjo again at some point. Now, I definitely will be going to Professor, what is the, Professor? No. There's another professor. There's another professor. Olufumilade.
Okay, Fẹ́mi Olufumilade.
Right. Sherry gbogbo àwọn yẹn ẹ̀yin ni máa so mọ́ ní etí aṣọ nítorí pé a lè mọjọ́ solókun. Ọlọ́run kó bá wa gun Papa Chief Adébánjọ. Ọlọ́run kó bá wa gun wọ́n lẹ́mìí. Orí ọ̀fẹ́ ńlá la ní. Orí ọ̀fẹ́ ńlá la ní.
Éèjì Moses ni bàbá máa leave.
Àṣẹ èmi kan dẹ̀ máa jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ẹ sọ pé àṣẹ fèmí náà. Therefore, Papa Adébánjọ, ẹ ṣé púpọ̀ sà fún 62 méjì tẹ́ ti wà nídìí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí ò dẹ̀ sú yín tẹ̀dẹ̀ sí rántí eléyìí tẹ́ rántí ìtọ̀ nǹkan tó lágbára ni. Ṣé rí ibi tí n fẹ́ fi àdàgbà ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kọ́ sí? Ṣé rí Afẹ́nifẹ́re bí ìgbà tí ilé ẹbí ẹjọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ bága mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ yín o Mauritania out.
Nara kì í sàwá láti Mauritania o.
Ó ṣe ọkọ mi. Now, kókó ọbẹ̀ ṣẹ́rí ẹ máa fi ṣẹ́rí kókó ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ó dàbí ilé mọ̀lẹ́bí tí wọ́n kọ́ fún wa. Bàbá Awólọ́wọ̀ ló kọ́lé mọ̀lẹ́bí yìí fún wa tó ń pè l'Afẹ́nifẹ́re. Bàbá ló kọ́ ilé gbogbo wa ní. Àwọn kan náà dẹ̀ ti ń gbébẹ̀ láì mọ iye ọdún. Àwọn Papa Fáṣọ̀rántì wọ́n ti wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Àwọn Papa Adébánjọ wọ́n wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Ilé yìí Afẹ́nifẹ́re ilé gbogbo wa ní. Ṣé a máa jẹ́ kí ilé yìí kó wó? Ṣé a máa jẹ́ kó wó? A mọ̀ pé wọ́n ti yọ yàrá bíi 4 síta nínú ilé yìí. Wọ́n ti yọ yàrá 3 bí 4 ní ìyá àwọn ẹgbẹ́ Afẹ́nifẹ́re míì. Màá fẹ́ ká jọ this Afẹ́nifẹ́re yìí gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe ń sọ fún wa wípé àwọn níbi tí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ń lọ ìṣòro tó dojúkọ wọn láti gbọ́ lálẹ́ àti gbọ́ gbogbo ìṣòro tó dojúkọ Afẹ́nifẹ́re. Ohun tó dojúkọ Afẹ́nifẹ́re ló máa dojúkọ Yorùbá World Assembly ló máa dojúkọ kíníkan Congress gbogbo pátá. Therefore, ẹ jẹ́ kí pẹ̀lú lágbára Ọlọ́run pẹ̀lú ìrànlọ́wọ́ Alàgbà Délé Ògún, Professor Salako, Professor Olúfúnmiládé àti Alàgbà Àjàgbé nǹkan kan àárí tá a máa fi lè kí la fẹ́ ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ constitution yìí ó ń fàmójútó ní pápápá tí a bá ti lè tètè rójú tú ẹ̀. Ara ohun táwọn young people ń sọ ni wípé ọ̀nà tá a máa gbé gbà tí ó máa jẹ̀jẹ̀ wípé akànkẹ́rù wa kúrò ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ni òun la tún ròyìn Olódùmarè kó fún wa ṣe. So on that note,
Èrèlú ọ̀pá pàdé ṣe.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni sà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni sà.
Mo dárúkọ gbọmọgbọmọ.
Ẹ ṣé sà.
Mo dá sọ yìí lè tó wá bí kó wá takò tó dá sọ yìí. Aláwọn ló wà bí ẹbí Yorùbá ni wọ́n. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ilẹ̀ pè mí. Ṣe lè pè wọ́n pé wọ́n lẹ́gbẹ́jà fáìsì bẹ́ẹ̀ ilẹ̀ dá òmìnira wa dúró àti Professor Salako àti gbogbo ayé egun wọn ẹ̀kọ́ ìṣògbé ń bọ̀ ẹrú ilẹ̀ ẹ̀ka kó sí ni. Bàbá Adébánjọ sọ pé ilẹ̀ ìdádúró pé tẹ́ bá yọ fún wọn báyìí ni ẹgbẹ́ wọn síta. Kò sọ̀rọ̀ kankan bẹ ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ̀ ṣe lè ń pẹ́ sọ. Èdè kọ́ ni mo ti ń sọ lójú yín pé àwọn náà wà ń di ẹ̀ wọ́n ò lè sọ pé díẹ̀ ni pé wọ́n tọra wọn jẹ pé wọ́n fẹ́ fi èèyàn kan jẹ ààrẹ. Wọ́n dẹ̀ fi tọ̀ wá ní àti sọ́sọ́sọ́. So yẹn ní ká ṣe ẹyẹ máa sọ pé káwọn kan jẹ bá wọn kọ. Wọ́n ti lọ bá wọn. Up till now mo ṣe ránṣẹ́ sí Tinubu gbogbo àwọn tẹ́ ẹ̀ sọ yẹn gbà. Kò sẹ́ni mo fi lẹ̀ nu wọn. Ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tí wọ́n máa jẹ òjẹ́ kan gbọ́.
Ṣe rí ẹ̀sọ̀ pẹ́ tí ń sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o. Mo dẹ̀ ti fi ohùn ránṣẹ́ sí Aṣíwájú lẹ́ẹ̀mejì ni mo ti fi ohùn ránṣẹ́ sí wọn. Èmi ò dẹ̀ kí í jáwọ́. Ṣé àwọn pé ńgbà tẹ tí gbìgbì ni mo dá yín lóhùn sí. Bí o ṣàìgbọ́ mo dẹ̀ ti fi ohùn ránṣẹ́ sí wọn lẹ́ẹ̀mejì pé bóyá tí ò bá sí ẹnsà tí wọ́n lọ kó wàhálà bá wọn ni bóyá àwọn náà bí eléyìí wọn ṣe yọjú sí wa yẹn làwọn náà bá yọjú sí wa by surprise tí ò bá sí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹnsà wàhálà yẹn ṣùgbọ́n èmi ò ń jáwọ́ nú ọ̀rọ̀ èmi ò ń jáwọ́ nú ẹ̀rọ ṣé ẹ̀rí yẹn ti rí àbí tí ọmọ àbí tí aṣíwájú gbogbo ìlú Èkó bí láìkí tẹ̀ ń ṣe yìí o.
Wọ́n ti mọ nǹkan tó máa wá di ẹ̀rọ rí ẹ̀rọ bí rí.
Olódùmarè àìfún wa ṣe.
Tẹ́lẹ̀ ìbá lè gbé wọn wá mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé mo jàdé ìwọ̀n kan á pàdé wa lórí ìgbèrè. Káwọn ọ̀sàlà kọ́ àwọn gbogbo wọn kájọ jókòó kí máa sọ nǹkan tí máa sọ yìí kọ́ wá
sáfẹ́. Mo jẹ́ yín.
Tẹ́ bá sọ fún Professor Yemi Ọ̀ṣínbàjò pé mo máa wà ń Zoom ó láìkì kò wá tẹ́ bá dárúkọ mi fún colleague mi ni.
ṣe rí pé.
Professor má gbèrè gorí ayán. Professor má gbèrè gorí ayán.
Ṣe rí dádì ẹ mọ tóbìnrin lè ṣe o àwọn obìnrin àwa ni yá wọn ó ṣe ṣe kó jẹ́ àwa náà máa tọ́ sílẹ̀. On that note, let me bring this particular episode of Agbakoni Tonile Oòduà to a close. I want to give gratitude to Olodumare for another session. It's always seesaw with this session because when you call the name conflict, often I'm faced with conflicts because those I have gathered together, they are never far away from conflict, never far away from conflict. So I thank Olodumare that today we've been able to keep certain conflicts away, but we are very, very much with a long list of conflicting agenda items yet to be focused upon. I want to thank Alagbadelu. Thank you so much for your time. It isn't easy to have set little time aside to be able to be with us because I know you're a very busy person. Thank you so much for joining me this evening. I want to thank, of course, I want to thank Pastor Okebi. Thank you so much also for joining me. Thank you to Aremo Dotun Hassan. Otumba Falashe, thank you very much. Omoba Toyin Ladukun, thank you very much. I want to not forget Victor Taiwo. Thank you very much for joining us. I want to also thank all the other contributors, new acquaintances today. It's been a fascinating session. Professor Salako, mo ti sọ fún yín pé bí ìgbín bá fà kára wọn á tẹ̀lé ni. Thank you so much because you're a perfectionist. You do put a lot of time in preparation. And I want to thank my colleague who is actually very much a sister, Councillor Folashade T. Thank you for being there. Looking forward to your feedback when the time permits. And let all of us thank Papa Chief Adebanjo. We want to thank you very much, Papa, for always being at our service. There's no time when somebody knocks your door, you always rise up to the challenge, and you're always willing to, which is quite unique about you, appeal for help. Ladies and gentlemen, Papa has appealed for help today from us. He's saying, Ejeka Joshe, Kilashe Leshe, Baba Mbewa, wọ́n bẹ̀ wá ní last program náà ni pé ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa ṣe lágbára Ọlọ́run lójú ẹ̀mí yín la máa ṣe o, lójú ẹ̀mí yín la máa ṣe tó jẹ́ wípé bó ṣe máa rí nìyẹn torí pé ẹ ti ń wa ọkọ̀ yìí kò wá ní ìdá bàbá wó lọ́wọ́ wá tí wọ́n rí bí wá sí Abíọ́lá wá ẹ̀yin náà bí aṣáà gbọ́dọ̀ wá débi ìfọ̀kànbalẹ̀ ni. Ibi ìfọ̀kànbalẹ̀ yìí ṣé a máa ṣì wà nínú ibi tó ń pè ní Nàìjíríà ni? Ṣé àní sínú ibẹ̀ ni? Ṣé confederation ni? Ṣé restructuring ni? Ṣé secession ni? Olódùmarè ìtó bá dá ló máa ṣe fún wa. Mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo wa ṣe mo dúpẹ́ o. Tabara ẹni tí mi ò ní nọ́mbà ẹ̀ nínú yín, ẹ dákun, my number, ẹ bá ti rí flyer, my telephone number is on the flyer. Ibẹ̀ ni for further information wà. Please send your numbers to me because I no doubt will be reconvening this particular session for you to be kept informed of where we've got to. I think we're just wasting time. It's just like being on social media, lots of talks and nothing achieved. I do hope this time around, to those of you in Caribbean, thank you very much. Those of you in Nigeria, thank you very much. United States, thank you very much. Mauritania, thank you. United Arab Emirates, thank you. And to no one else but my studio team kept awake when they should be in bed. On that note, I want to say good night to everybody and see you soon on another episode of Agbakonitoni Oduduwa. I am Erelu Tunwashe. Good night.
Thank you very much.
Good night. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Good night.
Thank you.
Good night, ma.
Thank you.
Good night.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Akinyin láti Ondo State o, mọ́mi o.
Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ Ondo. Ẹ bá ń kí wọn o. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o. Thank you.
Thank you. Àwa náà kí láti United States o.
Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o. Thank you.
Àwa náà kí láti Mauritania o.
Ẹ ṣé Mauritania. Mo dúpẹ́ o.
Bàbá ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ pẹ́ fún ọ, bàbá o.
Àṣẹ o. Àṣẹ o.
Àwa náà lè gbé ibi tẹ́ bá dé o.
I don't want to shut down the system on all of you. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́. Houston, Texas, thank you. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o. Àṣẹ o. Àṣẹ. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o. Waiting for the rest before I shut down the system. Now I'm going to, let's see if I can.